Earlier, I have spoken about how AI is disrupting the job market, and I also have discussed that AI is actually not a job killer, but it generates a lot of new opportunities which perhaps we have never heard earlier. Today, I'll go a little deep into it and also explain which all AI tools will help a person to secure a good or better job. But before getting into that, let me tell you one thing. By end of or last part of 19th century, a new revolution happened in our industry or in our life. What is that? It is called industrial revolution or industrial age or machine age started. Prior to that, most of the work used to be done manually. Today, and maybe a year back, we have got into another revolution called AI revolution, and it's happening. What is that? Lot of things, computer related or machine related, lot of areas, almost all the areas, which were used by regular machines with lot of human intervention. Now AI is taking over and reducing the human intervention and automating the process, make life easier. So today, first, let me tell you which all tools we must learn. The fresher students, predominantly student community, not engineering student community. I'll talk about you guys, I mean those who are pursuing engineering, BTech, etc. I'll talk about your AI part or what all AI tools you need to learn later, some other day. So today let's focus on the students who are pursuing, say, BCom, BA, BSc, BBA, MBA, those kind of programs. For you, what all tools or AI tools you need to learn? Before again naming the AI tools, let me tell you that after completing, say, for example, BCom, what kind of job you are going to get in accounting related jobs. Correct? Similarly, those who are pursuing BA, most likely will get into the office administration, office management kind of jobs. Those who are pursuing BBA, perhaps you will join as management trainee or something like that, or might be even data analyst. Those who are pursuing MBA, you will be getting into a job as a junior manager or something like that. Question comes, why or how AI will help you? Knowledge of AI or skill in AI will help you. As all these job roles. Earlier, whatever job being done by, say, for example, in 4 hours time by one person, with the help of AI, same job can be completed in half an hour. So obvious reason, most of the organizations, most of the companies, they are getting into AI revolution or they started adopting the right AI tool. Now, let me explain you what all AI tool you should learn. The basics of prompt engineering, we call it generative AI prompt engineering, which first and foremost is not a technical thing. It's not a computer, I would say computer science related stuff. You don't have to write programs, you don't have to write or know any particular programming language or computer language and all this stuff. All you need to do is the way we communicate with another human, almost the same way we communicate or we will communicate with the Gen AI or generative AI system as well, which is called large language model or LLM. So what all tools we should use as a foundation for prompt engineering or generative AI prompt engineering part? One is ChatGPT, which will help you to do data analysis and data related stuff, creating pivot, creating various different type of data views, or creating graphs, whatnot. Also, it can help you to create basic small programming code also, which again, kind of outside of the purview of this discussion. Second is Google Gemini, more or less the same. Microsoft Copilot, again more or less the same. The only difference between these three tools are certain areas each of the tools are good at. So that's why we should learn all three tools. Then next is Grammarly AI. You might be aware or familiar with regular Grammarly, which used to do the spell checking predominantly. But Grammarly AI, what it does, it understands the tonality of the statement and help you to refine the statement or sentence. Lot of time we need to create PowerPoint presentations. So Gamma AI PPT are the tool for that, AI tool. For particularly for people who are into accounting or who will get into a job of accounting. Suvit, Suvit, most popular tool used by the accounting firms. Again is an AI based tool. So these are the few examples. It is not restricted, or these are not the only tool that people use. Say for example, creative tool people use Runaway or Uplift. For example, for financial management, QuickBooks is also there. Bootkeeper is also there. For research tool, Perplexity is there. Uh, Digital marketing, Surfer, SEO, Jasper, Copy.ai is there. Law, people who are pursuing legal line, say LLB, right? A lot of lawyers in India, they started using tools like Nyaya Guru or Simple AI, Law Simple AI. So point is, what I am trying to make is, if you learn the respective tools, at least the first 6, 7 tools which I have named, in that case, your probability to get into a job will be much higher compared to those who don't know. Now, learn means not just only learn. Companies these days, especially smaller organizations, they don't have the bandwidth or ability to, convert the learning into skilling. So what is important for all of you is to get skilled into these areas. These all these generative AI tools or AI tools, which means knowledge is important, then you need to do practice, and finally, using different real use case scenarios, you need to get skilled so that you know where, how to give the prompt, what prompt needs to be given at what scenario, so that you get the most accurate or 100% accurate result. Without that, just learning will not help, unfortunately. So I'm sure this information will be useful for you, all of you guys. Uh, do let me know if you need any support or any help. I will come back once again, as I have promised, for engineering students, what all AI tools could be useful for you guys in some time later. Till then, thank you and bye.